My people, Kumasi matter don't land for here. This one happen for Kumasi life. The say na stepfather where they date him and his lover, they stay together. So this man go born the girlfriend, I be the lover children with fire. No be smart, you know. According to matter where rich people, they say now, so these people go they fight. They go they argue every day because the man go they tell the woman say she they cheat, she get more than one boyfriend, I be one man. That's why they go they argue every day, and this one everybody they witness am. So now I be like say through jealousy, this man can calculate as the woman they sleep with the children. The woman herself get 2 children, where the man himself get 1. So he can accept all of them. So this woman can they sleep oh. Now so this man carry petrol, start dey sprinkle petrol, light am, omo, come see fire. Hey, thank God say the landlord even there around, my people. Now so the landlord go there, the woman dey shout, hey, help me oh, help me. Now so the man go, when the landlord go there say he wan open door, my people, the man don lock door, waka comot. Can't see breaking of door. So the landlord forced the door. Before he go say they save 1 2 1 2. Now the woman and the pikin come outside. The other one, fire don't catch her. And because of the way the fire too much, they no fit save that one. And so that one just go, my people. I say make her bring her call on her side. So I beg, for now we no know what they happen now for Kumasi. Join me, make we listen to the landlord.
She told me her husband had fled after starting the fire. He had locked the burglar proof, but I managed to save the woman and the girl. The woman told me the man had wet a blanket with petrol and thrown it on the boy through the window.
Omo, fear even they catch me like this as a day. This world just dey full of people wey just kolo mental. And to think of the fact say this man after he burn he light fire, he still won't go burn himself join. I dey tell you na serious matter. Because maybe for him mind, he think say the fire go succeed to burn all of them so that he go pata make everybody just die. He be like say na wetin dey this man. This man is sick. I swear this man, you know they feel fine. How you go want even kill yourself? It don't already bad. Say you dey try keep person, you still want kill yourself join. Hey, Chineke. This life where we just dey, my people, the kind things where just they happen. He be like say the world go just end tomorrow. This tomorrow like this where they come. Everybody just they misbehave. May they not leave this man alone for street oh. Before we go yes say another thing, as he no succeed even kill. If he go even plan and say okay the woman no die, because the main problem where this man get now with the woman say they cheat on her. Because if he go try another one before you know, hi Africa, Africa. I don't say why people too get problem, but their own. Why? How come their own not even they reach this kind of level? Like I'm not just understand. Our own be like saying a witchcraft. And they even call fire service. That one too, another, in fact, another problem where we they face for this Africa where we dey. Everything when they arrive late. Everything, whether na police or fire service or no name am. Everything they arrive late. Now they say they call fire service. Even as the landlord they try open this thing, they call fire service. They say fire service they road since. They don't even feel locate the area because of the way the construction the road self no good. In fact, I just do. Hey, Chineke. Fire service. You way, in fact, you supposed even there immediately. See our countries. Make una see am. Government do road, una no go do road. Now the one wey no even need anything, una go dey rush say una go dey do am. Road. Meanwhile, if una dey go sit down for that place, una go dey promise us heaven, earth, everything. Una no even dey help matters at all. Una even dey worsen the whole thing. No, how people, because now we just dey look fire service. Wetin make fire service no reach there? Una don't think am. How these people won't do their work if government no set the foundation well? assuming government do road well, they go find their way. Although we know say we be Africans, but at least see, government still dey part of this matter. And now my people, as they talk to now this man, they don't carry and go police station. They say that they question am, maybe they investigate the matter. So now for year, una go still hear the latest. How many years they lock am up for? Abi whether na death sentence? I don't know. I don't know the law where Ghana get. You understand? So but still now here una go get the latest update concerning this matter. So I know they expect una make una never subscribe by now. If not, I wonder how you won't get this kind of update. So make sure say you just click on that thing so that you will be updated whenever we drop the next one. And make sure say you subscribe. Don't drop those comments there. I go reply on one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story. Former Italian defender Daniel Adani, he don't come outside now, come reveal to us say controversial PSG footballer Mauro Icardi they do his wife 12 times a day. 12 times, oh, I not to say 2. And the woman where we dey talk about no other person than Wanda Nara. Omo. When I hear this matter, they look, you know that son. I put this woman picture, maybe they see her face. When I dey see her, now like that I stand with the picture, they look because I dey try imagine. My people, I don't try calculate. I even try break and down. I divide them. Midnight they fit do 3. Then when they break, they will do another 3. Now 6 be that. Then in the afternoon, they will do another 3. Now 9 be that. Then in the night, another 3. Now wait till me I calculate. Because I know this. Hey, Chineke me. Sex don't turn achievement. Oh. In fact, it don't turn. But my people, I understand this woman. No, relax. When I know say I always give una correct details. I understand them because I remember some time ago. Now this same woman come outside, they complain, oh, say husband no dey satisfy her. And according to Antonio Conte, into say relationship, in they talk about footballers now. He say relationship not supposed to last too long because it will make the players to get too tired. And this woman now, the what they call her, the wife, she can't react to this matter. No be smart, you know. She even, in fact, after the Antonio can't make this thing, she don't increase the level of the, you understand? He say, no day, no time where you know they give am to the husband. Very, very important. And this woman, I remember before, sometimes as soon as she go just come outside, they complain. Before you know, she go come tell us, say, sometimes, before they start the match, she go down. Hey, omo, but Oga too dey professional. They say Oga no go gree o. Many, omo. Hey, 12 rounds. 12. No, the thing still, it's still the. I beg God. You know, say no be this type I beg you for. You know, God no fit give me wetin I no fit handle. Wetin happen na marathon 12. I no get work today again. I beg, I dey show say this Wanda. When I dey show say Wanda no be from Edo State. Because Edo girls, hey, I beg. Now, if you know say you be from Edo, I don't know, but na matter wey reach me. They talk say these girls Edo. If they just carry, if they catch man, put am under. They say the man go just dey answer him mama name. He go forget him papa name. He go just dey answer him mama name. Hey. You carry everything they do. No be juju be that. No be juju be that. Make person tell me. Then tomorrow now, I beg. I no wan hear say you cheat on this woman. Now dey me and person go enter pants. If I hear say this man cheat on this woman. No, wetin be your excuse? Which reason you get? Woman wey they give you 12. No, which reason you get? If you end up the cheat on this woman, my brother, now be say, your village people, they use your files as pillow. Your files, they gather them as pillow. Because I know they see wetin they look for again for outside. No wonder. Because when this guy, they play ball, hey! I go come dey ask myself, say, why this guy too dey fall down? He sabi fall like mumu fowl. No, say na the reason be this. Now why you dey fall all your strength now? Strength where you suppose dey gather so that you go score goals. You go dey score goals for another place. Only you, they use them for bedroom. My brother, the God I serve is with you. No, you try am first. Make her just hear. Say you cheat on this woman, you go with one girl. What? You go see me for that your country. You go no say I be spiritual. I go just appear. It go shock you. No, my people, waiting the person like this, they find again. Make una tell me. 12 rounds. All of una way like they talk say, I'm tired of rice, I like beans. 12 rounds. Inside that 12 rounds, my brother, you must find that beans. So that egusi, you go find her. That pounded yam, you go find her. Salad, you go. In fact, make sure say you find all your favorites inside that 12 rounds. Don't the fire devil. Not just try them. Ha! Women they try, right, people? I beg, I say make I bring this one because it shocked me, and I know say it go even shock una double. So I beg, wait till you guys talk concerning this case. Una fit do the ladies in the house, how far? Who fit stand this 12 round matter? I beg, if you know say you fit, make a set challenge with you and Wanda. Very, very important. My people, I beg, start to drop the comment. I go reply on one by one as usual. And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, how you go no say 12 round they go on, my people? And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wait till they share for this house. Stay tuned for our next story. Sakawa boys matter don't reach us again. You don't say where I hear this matter. Sakawa. Finally, you don't come again, my people. I say make I bring a corner fight. This one, na ring matter. They say, I will make us sit down way first. It happened for Kaswa, straight Accra, Ghana. So now the matter can be say, this guy, they do Sakawa. He wear the ring. Ungwanu. Now the ring, when they give her the money according to matter we reach me, they say na through the ring, the funds they come, you understand? So he can't get one friend, the friend don't they ask and say, bros, how far? Show me the way. Where did they bring all this money? When I know na guys, how na they relate? Say, bro, show me the way. That one, be like say, you know, greet tell him. Now, so one day he go in house, he see ring. Bam, he carry the ring. Wear am, he carry and go. As he go, no. This one too can't forget. In fact, because the rule, but I say the rule where the Baba give this guy, they say, make this ring don't touch soapy water. When I know those conditions where they give them, don't bath, don't do this and here. Now one of them be that. And the guy will carry the ring, no even know anything concerning that ring. Just carry and boom. Because it be like say, he don't they suspect, say, be like say, now this ring, they give this guy money. Now so in wear am, my people are saying wear am, go use soapy water inside. Hey, wahala come wear ring. The ring come dey tight. It dey tight. It dey try remove, I no fit remove. It dey try remove, I no fit remove. Ngwanu, can't see problem. Now so they call the owner of the ring go say Ngwanu, now we carry this ring from your side. So wait till you guys talk. He can say, bros, you carry this ring. They say yes. Now their problem starts, my people. And relax, so this boy now in hand on, in fact, you don't they bleed, they don't remove part of the ring, but the rest no gree come out. And according to the Baba we give that guy the ring, the Baba tell us say they must bring blood of a baby in order to perform sacrifice so that ring will come out. And if they give them 1 week, if that ring, if they not bring the baby sacrifice, the blood, say now the boy wey wear the ring now wey no dey comot na him they go use as the sacrifice. So I say Ngwanu, my people must not miss this one. So I beg we don't catch another one. Join me, make we watch the video.
What video? Salo. Said it. So if you are seeing said yes, see a year corner no. Someone said we are echo. Ubika wada hono akofa kawano. Ashe. Kawano ye half at watching. And so still kawano half na can mianinsa. Ihyamwa say empire bo said the young omwaye. Na boy ni intimate na ho. Cause kawano one na say ono na edaho e na okofa ayo. Ono na say edaho e na okofa kawano. Ehye ye. Se wonu anga sana kofa ye Say on I could be a drone and Obiani Moshi.
Hey! Labalamo, eh? Now, boys are money. Give me. I don't just know where will they go again. Money go keep people for this life where we come. Money, that paper where we they see people they die for the sake of that thing. You dey baby, you dey give your mama wahala. You can't grow now for this your age, you still dey give people wahala. In the first place, wetin go carry you? You go carry person ring where? And you can see your big eyes, your own are just to the carry. See, I don't tell you something. In this life, they very careful. They very careful. See wahala where this boy don't go put himself inside. No, una see am. Now they don't break. Una even see as they bleed. The other part no gree comot. Now you go look for baby blood. Meaning say now, as I dey talk to now they find pikin where they go kill. Wait till you think say they want to use the pikin do. The pikin go die. Now the only option now, according to Baba, no be me talker. Now the only option now. Una go just the disgrace human being. So people where they do legit work now, they be stupid. They no just get sense. They no get brain. I don't tell una, no they rush. Una see this one, you don't jam rock. You don't jam. And the thing where they pay me, one thing where I don't even notice, even as they watch, they see things where they happen to other people, instead of maybe they learn from that one. Mbanu, be like say they enter here, they come up for this side, they go still enter again, go do another. In fact, they go even go do the worst one. Where una they rush go? No, where una they rush go? Where and why? This life, everybody get in turn. I dey talk this thing every day. No envy anybody. If you be my friend, I see say you don't dey cash out. I ask you, no, definitely that one dey happen normal level. Babe, show me the way now. What's up? You understand? But the moment you know if you explain, and even when you explain, I notice say now one barbaric thing. My sister, we move. You understand? I no go come this life. I can't kill myself now. No, why? Why I go kill myself? Hey, see, my people, I don't bring una this matter because it be like say some boys, their brain don't conk. You know, nothing fit enter inside again. And I then show say my brother, that is if you even recover this one. By the time you recover am, next time, even person biro, pen, if you see am, you go jump and pass. Nobody go tell you. Continue. Some people life just dey like that. Anything where they see they won't wear, anything where they see they won't carry. Must you take everything? No, must you take everything? You have even noticed it too, because he notice am. According to matter, they say he even noticing that the ring they give him friend money. What is good for the wetin they call that thing? What is good for the goods is not good for the ganja. Be how una dey talk am. Now wetin just happen? You carry another person market now. Now they go come use you for sacrifice. The matter for they different. If as the ring no dey comot, the person wey go meet Baba na he go die. But now you wey go poke nose, now you go come die. And I just dey hope say this thing go teach many people lesson. First of all, learn to mind your business. Second of all, don't take what does not belong to you without permission. It's very, very important. And if you see, we're not supposed to sense trouble. Learn how to sense trouble. If you ask person, oh, what's up? You supposed to know, use your head. Person don't want to tell you something, no go tell you, go they beat around the bush. This one too, mumu, it still go. My people, now I say I go bring and call on aside. So that our boys go learn. Because I know say many of them still there outside there. In fact, even as they talk now, some of them still they plan now. Say how their next move, their next Baba. I beg, give up. Give up on that thought that is entering your head. If not, you no go like the ending. Now why I bring am? I no say person they hear me now. Person need this advice where they give now. Why I bring am? You understand? I beg, give up on that thought. Go look for normal work. You no go kill you. Very, very important. My people, I beg, wetin una gats talk concerning this one, though. because highest me na only to talk and pray. I fit pray for them. I no fit keep myself. You understand? So I beg, drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply on one by one. And make sure say you share this video. Make we help our fellow brothers who still there outside there. They think of this matter. You understand? And if you never subscribe, very, very important. Because just click on that thing so that you're not going to miss anything we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.